In this video, we will be installing the panels for the 1811 36-inch model. Remove the adjustment plate that is pre-installed on your fridge by removing the 2 screws. Align and place into position the plate onto the door panel. Align the screw holes. Under the fridge door, install the 2 brackets with the single hole drilling into the fridge door. Place and align the front panel onto the 2 bolts. Securely tighten the 2 bolts with the washers. From under the fridge door, fasten the 2 screws onto the door panel. Place the white trim onto the bracket. To adjust the legs of the fridge, for both front and back feet, access the 2 screws in front of the fridge. Turn the left key clockwise to lift the front and the right key to adjust the rear feet. To avoid fridge tipping over, install the anti-tip at the back of the fridge. Only the anti-tip bracket is screwed onto your cabinet, while the bracket rests on top of the fridge. We also recommend installing the side's anti-tip brackets as well. Next, we install the handle. Place into position using an Allen key screwdriver. Fasten into place. You may need to loosen the screw first if it doesn't fit into position. For the freezer panel, remove the adjustment plate by unscrewing the 2 bolts. On the back of your freezer panel, align and place the adjustment plate into position and screw into place. With the 2 brackets, align the 2 holes to the freezer panel and screw into place. Align and place the freezer panel onto the fridge. Screw in the freezer brackets with the single hole going into the freezer. Fasten the top adjustment plate. Loosen the screw of the freezer handle and place into position. Fasten into place. This completes the installation.